The new Prism Pro Mini CCT is the latest exciting addition to our family of integrated LED fire-rated downlight products and is one of the leading small fire-rated downlights on the market. With a diameter of 55mm and a minimal 42mm hole cutout, the Prism Pro Mini delivers a sleek and minimalistic appearance, as well as maintaining compliance for use in 30, 60 and 90-minute ceiling types. This fully dimmable downlight has 4 selectable CCT options: 2700 Kelvin, 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin and 6000 Kelvin, allowing you to choose the right light for your space. Each Mini is supplied with a matte white bezel as standard, with optional black, chrome and satin chrome bezels also available. With a small curved detachable driver design, this allows for easier installation into shallow ceiling voids. As well as this feature, the driver has loop-in, loop-out push-fit piano terminals, providing a fast and simple time-saving installation. Our Octo Casambi and Octo Wiz smart controllers enables Prism Pro Mini to be made smart and can connect with other smart fittings in the building. This smart technology allows you to set timers, group fittings together, and set holiday functionality all from your smartphone. The Prism Pro Mini comes with an LED lifespan of L70 54,000 hours and has a warranty of 5 years.